What's up, guys? We are back here with another everything's regular video, man. Different background today. We not in the garage, man. We not in the house. We already in LA still, man. Rare Breed is still this weekend, man. So you know we didn't get an outro yesterday. It was so lit and all that, man. All the races, all the just the fun stuff that was going on. But man, if you guys haven't already, man, please like, comment, and subscribe, man. If you guys haven't entered the giveaway for my 2018 Road King, man, head over to everythingsregular.com and copy your camo hat. We got 2 different colors, man. Either one will put you into the giveaway, man. So head over there right now and go grab your hat. Man, the homie just pulled up. Y'all see what's going on? Got that blue and red thing. We got that gray and red thing. We got that burgundy, red and black thing. But yeah, man, we out here about to slide back up to Rare Breed. Get it going, get some more footage, man. So let's slide. Nigga did the same thing I did on the 2020. Same exact thing, dude. Well, y'all heard it, man. Transmission on this thing is done. I think I'm done with the fast shifting and thinking I'm like super sport Vin Diesel on a Harley, because it's obviously not working out for me, man. Thanks to this guy, he just had to pull up and, man, let me see what he gonna do, man.
That's the first time I actually beat you.
Yeah, oh my God, this guy, man.
Finally got one.
You finally got one, yeah. Right, you finally got one. Now this one's about to be parked, man, until we at least finish up with other stuff we got going on. Because this one, you know, we just got it just because it was a great deal, but obviously we got to put some money into it now. So it is what it is. We'll see what's up, but I'm gonna load this thing up and we're gonna get up out of here, man. Alrighty, man, all loaded up, ready to go. Had to call it quits early today, but it is what it is, man. Let's go ahead and gas up and get on this long ride now, shall we? It is cracking out here today, y'all. It's so lit, boy. I gotta get in the middle of the street because there's so much. We out here day 2, going up. Got the lamb trucks and whatnot. Okay. Woo, it's so lit out here, y'all. It's going up. It is cracking out here, dog. It's cracking. There's so many people out here and bikes. It's so crazy right now, dog. Look at all these bikes lined up, man. Look. I'm waiting to see if somebody gonna come through getting cracking and whatnot. We done found a purple bike. Y'all remember this, man? This is like the second bike we gave away, guys. Wow, that's crazy. Got that purple thing here, man. I knew we was gonna see it again. Y'all see what's going on. My dog Khalif got it going on, dog. I see you, champ. We was supposed to go to Vegas, man, but that just wasn't in the plans, man. Y'all seen my guy earlier, man, on the video, man. Y'all see what he ended up with, man. Y'all see what's going on. Big CVOs and all that, dog. Yes, sir. Alrighty, guys. We was supposed to be filling up with a bike on the back, but this is even better. So, save gas. This thing is just taking forever to fill up, though, man. But gonna be out of here and be on our way back to the crib, man. So, infamous Slauson. But we out of here, dog. Golly, gas prices are ridiculous. We still not full. We had 134 bucks, dog. I put 140 thinking we'd have something to spare. And of course, it's not gonna give us that. So alrighty, guys, it's gonna be a wrap for today's video, man. If you guys haven't already, man, please like, comment, and subscribe, man. The CVO unfortunately did break on this video. That is unfortunate. We did the same exact thing as we did with our 2020 Road Glide, man. I know you guys are gonna beat me up in the comments, but hey, it is what it is. It's my bike. I bought it. I can ride it how I want to. So if you don't ride your bike like that, then hey, it is what it is. You'll just baby your bike. Hey, baby nuts. But it is what it is, man. My boy did cash out for that thing. So my boy Backhouse Customs does have the CVO now. I took the tour pack and everything to him already. So he has everything for that thing to go. I'm sure he's going to change it up and, you know, make it his own. So y'all stay tuned with him if y'all want to see what that thing looks like in the meantime. And if you guys haven't already, please like, comment, and subscribe. I would appreciate it. We almost have 40,000 subscribers, man. So I want to thank everybody out there for tuning in. If you guys haven't entered the giveaway for my 2018 Road King, man, head over to everythingsregular.com right now and go get your hat. We got 2 different color camo hats, man. Either one will gain you entry into that giveaway, man. So head over to everythingsregular.com right now and go get your entry, man. In the meantime, man, I got to get some stuff situated here, man. So I'm gonna have to catch you guys on the next one, dog. Peace.